9. Define the term estate officer. 2 marks. An individual who holds a specific public office and is subject to ethical and legal obligations to uphold the principles of public service, transparency, and accountability. 10. List 3 components of the executive arm of government in Kenya. 3 marks. The President is the head of state and government in Kenya. The President is elected by Kenyan citizens and is responsible for the overall administration of the government. Cabinet. The Cabinet is composed of appointed cabinet secretaries who head various government ministries. Public service. The public service, under the executive arm, consists of civil servants and public servants who work in various government ministries, departments, and agencies. 11. List 4 ways in which devolution of the health function has enabled easy access to services by Kenyan citizens. 4 marks. 1. Proximity to communities. Devolution has led to the establishment of county-level health facilities, including hospitals, clinics, and health centers. 2. Tailored health programs. Counties have the flexibility to design and implement health programs that address the specific health needs of their populations. 3. Community involvement and participation. Devolution encourages community involvement in healthcare decision-making. 4. Allocation of resources based on local needs. Devolution allows for the allocation of health resources based on the specific needs of each county. 12. Financial regulation is necessary to ensure stability of the overall financial institutions to minimize risks for consumers and the institutions themselves. List 4 regulatory agencies in the finance sector in Kenya. 4 marks. 1. Central Bank of Kenya, CBK. The Central Bank of Kenya is the country's central monetary authority. It is responsible for formulating and implementing monetary policy, issuing and regulating the currency, and promoting price stability. 2. Capital Markets Authority, CMA. The Capital Markets Authority is tasked with regulating and developing the capital markets in Kenya. 3. Insurance Regulatory Authority, IRA. The Insurance Regulatory Authority is responsible for regulating and supervising the insurance industry in Kenya. 4. Sacco Societies Regulatory Authority, SASRA. SASRA is responsible for the regulation and supervision of savings and credit cooperative societies, SACCOs, in Kenya. Section B. 13a. Explain 5 ways through which the National Assembly exercises oversight over other state organs. 10 marks. 1. Question time and parliamentary committees. Members of Parliament, MPs, have the opportunity to question cabinet secretaries and other government officials during question time sessions. 2. Approval of budget and expenditure. The National Assembly has the power to approve the national budget and expenditure proposed by the executive. 3. Confirmation of appointments. The National Assembly is involved in the confirmation of key appointments made by the President. 4. Debates and resolutions. The National Assembly engages in debates on various matters, including motions and resolutions related to the actions and decisions of state organs. 5. Legislative scrutiny. The National Assembly reviews and scrutinizes proposed legislation and policies. MPs can propose amendments, engage in debates, and conduct thorough examinations of bills before they become law.